Welcome to Kemper Auto Commercial. In this video, we will learn how to install the OBD2 verification device. This device only confirms vehicle usage, including garage zip code, driving radius, daily stops, and states of operation. Installation is simple. Let's get started. First, carefully remove the device from the box. If you have received devices for multiple vehicles, please consult your packing slip to ensure the device serial number matches the VIN associated with that device. You will see this port on the OBD2 device. Onboard Diagnostics, OBD, is a term referring to a vehicle's self-diagnostic and reporting capability. Next, notice the shape of the port of the device. This aligns with your vehicle's OBD2 port. Now, let's walk you through the simple installation process. Ensure your vehicle is turned off, then locate the OBD2 port where you will attach the device. Depending on the vehicle, it can be located near to the steering wheel, usually right underneath the dash on the driver's side. Or it would also be in the middle console of the dashboard. Another possible location would be around the glove box area or underneath the passenger side dashboard. It's typically concealed behind a removable panel or can be covered by a protective cap. If you can't find the port on your own, please consult the vehicle owner's manual or contact us. Once the port is located, bring the OBD2 device and align it against the port. It only fits one way. Slide it into place and the device will light up and then turn its light off again. That's it. Wait 1 minute before turning on your vehicle's ignition. Make sure your device remains plugged, as required by your policy. Now, you are on your way to keeping your rates affordable.